Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan and today's date is 26 March 2024 and today's my non-technical topic is digital transaction safe. In increasing the digital world, the way of the transaction and traditional cash transaction is more than the digital transaction, but this system have a redirection and transaction introduced to complexity in our transaction, and maybe it's offer the inconvenience of a data and financial interaction. Digital payment system accomplish wider range of technique and its platform to including the wallet, Paytm, UPIs and online banking, internet banking and another ways to perform the digital transaction. So the big article discussed in a security purpose, that is digital payment system. Firstly, we understanding the security management behind the digital system or digital transaction system. First is in a integrity digitally world to the significance of the transaction of the online within a time. It's more dangerous and harmful for the inconvenience of the balance or a security purpose. So the consist of a transaction is complex and security wise it's the most riskable or inconvenience. So digital financial interaction can be harmful. So we need to find out the way for the how to we can perform the digital transaction are safe. It is important to understand the security measurement behind the transaction. The key security measure behind the digital payment, first is encryption. Encryption is a valid security measure in digital payment. It is process of hiding the specific information into the specific code, and it is helpful in a security purpose. Next is we can perform the implementing the encryption on the digital payment system and can be provide the safe and secure way to make the transaction. Next is authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity and the activity information according to the information of the digital payment to the another payment, and it can be helpful for the increasing the security purpose of the payment and the transition. Next is the two-factor authentication, like a 2FA or a 2FAE. It is the most highly secured algorithm or a process in which we can perform the safe digital transaction. Next is authentication in a process that gradually increase the security of the particular system to the another system, and it can be helpful for the increasing the security of the transaction. Next is tokenization. Tokenization is the process of replacing the sensitive data like identity or a specific information from the unwanted users or a pupil. Next is biometric. Biometric, it is also helpful in the security purpose for the increasing the chance to get the loss of money or a financial condition when we performing the any transaction through the UPI or internet banking. Then it is mostly high chance of a inconvenience of a balance or a transaction that can be helpful in the performing the secure transaction from the one user to the another user. And next is email or a specific information, for example OTP. OTP is one of the way by which we can perform the safe or unauthenticated transition through the UPI or internet banking. That are the process or method by which we can perform the safe digital transaction. So it is all about my topic. Thank you so much.